Alright, so it's about 8:30 at night. Hope everyone's alright. We definitely got a pair finally out of these two buggers over here. And yeah, I know I've got to clean. It's going to be 31, 37 degrees Celsius this weekend, so I don't know, I'm going to try, but it's been a busy week. It's not that bad, it's only been like 3 weeks. So, we've got one coming up, saddle. A actual saddle and a nice blue white wings. This one just hatched one from a pair I've never had together, but first best line that I've got is definitely from the small black. So she's paired to that white beard, black white beard. He's the son. He's the son of the small black. That's the granddaughter. That's definitely special. And then my second best line, the OG line, which is that girl. Where's OG? The old OG over here. Big red, crazy red bars. Look at the look on him, man. It's a beautiful look. Old school. And I think they've got one hatched, so that's pretty nice. I think they got one each hatched as well. So, got two over here, and got those two, and the two over there. Got those two. Nice. Blue looking, beautiful. Definitely nice, healthy. See, we've got a all blue and bluish white twins, maybe a pied. That's not too bad. Reds. I know how these buggers fly now, so yeah, I'm gonna keep a couple of those for breeding. They haven't hatched yet. Those ones haven't hatched yet. I swapped the crazy colours with that love heart hen saddle to these guys over here, so they'll be feeding in a week and a half-ish, I reckon. So they got the eggs there. So yeah, what's that? 2, 3. They'll probably have the second young ones hatched tomorrow, so there will probably be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 young ones, something like that. This one's done its first egg. You yesterday or the day before, so they should be on the second egg soon. So that's good. I'll be smashing it. Smashing out these young ones. Late night, a little bit. Let them out. Let their stress out. But yeah, that's the pair I swapped the eggs. So let them make a second pair of eggs and let them. Let's make some of these. I'm hoping for more whitish than not. I've got a feeling we could even have a full white birds out of them. Let's see how we go. They're afraid of the dark. Are they coming in? That's good. So that pearl-eyed, crazy looking one right there, compared to that hen. So they'll have their young ones in a couple of weeks. Should be on the second egg tonight or tomorrow, or whatever. Yeah. Getting there. So she should make eggs. Her eggs hatched on those tipplers that we saw, those two nice healthy blueies. Got a bluey there. Okay, we do have a egg hatch from this OG red saddle. And that young silverish. Okay. I've got the birds on pallets, mix. I will be giving them some canary food tomorrow, just to mix it up, keep them excited about eating. So they feed the young ones nice and plump, keep them healthy. That's the story. Is that the male? That's the male. There's the male silver, which is paired to that pied red bars over here. I can't wait for them to make some young ones, because he is a special dude. Slowly getting there. That one I forgotten it. I've got to put that with the flying hens as well, because that's one of the young ones. Come on. There we go. The lorikeets ate half of my plums, like bastards. They got the best ones. See, I've got to put that hen in here with the rest. Some of these are falling off though. Maybe I've got to double up. I've got to double up with the, for some reason. It's alright. It's a learning curve. We've got the hen set. We had a massive storm probably 6-7 years ago. This whole shed got annihilated. It was turning to like paper. It was like one piece flat pack. I didn't think it was gonna work, but a couple hours we managed doing the job. Still got heaps to pair over here. And then we got the fellas in here. They did great flying the other day. Recording, but it's not worth recording. You can't even see them. They're just up so high. It's funny, like the videos when they're flying low get more views, which is understandable. You can't see nothing. Can't see anything. We've got this dude's out. Let's see if he wants to go in the wrong cage. Seriously, bro? He's gonna play games. But yeah, got the hens. The good thing is, once we get the female flyers, the boy flyers flying, at least the new young ones are going to have something to follow with. I didn't have that for these guys because I was overseas, put the flies for breeding, and so on. But yeah. Can you believe this massive tippler is a hen? That's the one I want to put with the Serbian a little later on in the future. Definitely. I would love a grizzle with a crest. That'd be sick, especially from the lines that I've got. That's a Veso all blue. I'm still thinking whether to fly this or not, or should I put for breeding. All blue Veso. Has anyone seen one? All blue? Yeah. Look, style of this one. This one's like really small. Nice small beak, small crest. Got that small style. That's that Tomich, half Tomich line in there, that's why. We're trying to pair these bozos for the second time. I'm sure that should be alright this time. Even a bit longer. Yeah. There'll be some special colours coming out of that, I reckon. Alright, it's getting dark. Still got a few pairs to put in eventually. Yeah, we'll take it from there. But what I've noticed is now that the boys have matured, they're flying better, and looks like they're flying smarter as well. So patience is the key, which we all don't have.